Google Play Store error. The update for your program could not be downloaded due to an error 403. So I just recently got this error on Google Play Store on my Samsung Galaxy. I want to show you how to fix the error. It's actually pretty easy to do if you're trying to download something and you keep getting that error. So first thing I want you to do is go to Settings. And when you go to Settings, what we're going to do is go to Connections. And then what I want you to do, if you have access to your phone service, whether that's Verizon, Sprint, Mint Mobile, whatever you have, and you're able to get connected to the Google Play Store through the satellite as opposed to the Wi-Fi, I want you to do that. But first you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned off completely. So just go ahead and click off that off button here, because that's what's happening with probably 80% of these errors. The Play Store is not able to get connected because it's getting confused between the Wi-Fi and then the global network. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and turn that off. Now the next thing what we're going to do is we want to clear the proxy on Play Store. So in order to do that, the only thing you have to do is go back to Settings and then go back to Connections, and you're going to have to scroll down here, scroll all the way down to where it goes to Mobile Networks. And then from Mobile Networks, what I want you to do is go to Access Point Names. And then on the internet, you're going to see something that says Clear Proxy Option. Now, some phones won't have that option, but if you have that option to Clear Proxy Option, go ahead and choose that. And after this, try to download your download on Google Play Store. Now, next thing I want you to do is we're going to check the internet strength. So make sure that your phone is very close to the Wi-Fi router. Make sure that you're very close to it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi router is working. So what I want you to do is test another device on your Wi-Fi router. So go ahead and test a laptop or a desktop or another phone. If it's not get connected, then you know it's not an issue with your phone or your Play Store. And so what I want you to do, if that happens, go ahead and disconnect the router and then plug it back into the wall. Keep it unplugged for a good 10 minutes. Plug it back in, and then see if you're able to get other devices connected, and then see if you can get connected to the Play Store. Okay. Now, here's a little small fun tip. The airplane mode will sometimes, if you turn the airplane mode on for a good 3 minutes, just keep it on, and then power the airplane mode back off. Just hit that little blue button and turn the blue button off. And you usually do that by just scrolling from the very top of your phone. Just scroll down to where you'll get this menu here to get to airplane mode. Turn it off, and then give it about 5 minutes, and then see if you're able to get to your Play Store. Maybe even restart your phone. Just completely restart it and see if you're able to get connected. And that most likely will help you fix the problem. Next, what I want you to do is you're going to clear all your roaming history on your Play Store. So in order to do that, I have to go to the app. We go to the Playstore App, and you're going to go to Menu. And Menu is going to be your Google Chrome icon, which mine's like a little cat. And it's going to be on the upper right. You're going to click on it. You can go all the way down to Settings. Click Settings. And then from here, what you're going to do is on Settings, you're going to go to Account and Device Preferences right here. And you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to clear Device Search History. And then confirm, delete it all, back out of this, and see if you're able to get into your Play Store and to download something. This should fix all your issues. If not, one thing you could do is actually try to use another Google account. So I have like 3 Google accounts. So you can just log out of your Google account that you're using on Google Chrome, and then log into a completely different account, and then try to access Play Store through that and download your item. And then of course you can go back to your original Google Chrome account that you use. And that would almost 100% fix the problem. Last thing I would only know what to do is to uninstall Google Play Store just by hitting the icon, uninstall it, reinstall it, see if that will fix your problem. And then you could do a system factory restore on your phone, but I don't think that that would be necessary. But that would be the very, very, very last thing to do. All right, I appreciate it.